What the? Oh, very funny. You kids know you're not supposed to be in here without me. Hi, sorry about that. I'm Ava, and welcome to the Strong for Life Car Seat Safety Lab. I hope you're ready to learn about installing rear-facing car seats using lower anchors. Who am I kidding? Of course you are. First up, and you might start sensing a theme here, but you should always read the manual when installing any car seat. Things change, safety innovations happen all the time, and every car seat is different. Now that that's out of the way, let's install a car seat. Whether you have a rear-facing only or a convertible car seat, you should see a couple of these on here. These are your lower anchor straps, and they have hooks like these to latch onto the metal bar in the crease of the seat. Snap the lower anchor hook into place. Make sure to go over the anchor, not under. Then tighten the lower anchor straps until the car seat doesn't budge more than 1 inch, side to side or front to back. Follow the angle indicator instructions for your car seat to determine if it's resting at the correct angle. It's super important to check your car seat's manual here because the recommended recline angle might change based on your child's weight. Finally, make sure the front seat of your car isn't touching the car seat. Now that your car seat is stable, it's time to learn how to safely seat a child. To do the same thing for both a convertible car seat and a rear-facing only. You ready? Make sure your child's harness straps are in position at or below their shoulders. There should be 1 inch between the top of the car seat and the top of the baby's head. Once they're all buckled in, you need to see if the harness is snug enough. To do that, you've got to do a pinch test. If you can pinch the harness up at the shoulders or hips like this, then it's too loose. We have to tighten it up. When you buckle the child in, the chest clip should be at their armpit level. There we go. Like I said in the previous video, it's okay if your little one's legs rest against the back of the seat. As long as they're within the maximum height or weight limit stated in your car seat's manual, they're totally fine. And a little crying doesn't hurt anyone. Right, honey? All right, that's how to install a rear-facing car seat with lower anchors and how to properly install a baby into the car seat. I'll see you next time. Bye.